Whether you are shopping or working at a store or restaurant, it's important to know how to count change. We're going to use two methods today to learn how much change you get back. The first is subtraction. You're going to subtract the cost from the amount of money you're given. That's going to show how much change you'll get. This method is often best if you have a calculator. Let's do this problem. Tim bought a shirt for $21.46. He gave the cashier $25. How much change will he get? We can answer this problem by subtracting 25 minus $21.46. Using your calculator, you would find that that is 3.54 or $3.54. When you give or receive change, you want to do it in the least number of coins. In order to do this, we're going to start with the largest bill or coin possible, and we're going to work our way down to the smaller bills or coins. In our last problem, we found out that you deserved $3.54 in change. You could do this with 354 pennies, but you don't want that either as the customer or the worker. So let's figure out how much change and what type you would give. We want to start with the largest bill possible. So we can't use $10, that's too much. We can't use a $5 bill. We're going to use $1 bills. So you would need to give three $1 bills. That took care of the $3. Now we need to look at the 54 cents. We're going to have to use coins. The biggest coins are quarters. 2 quarters would give you 25 plus 25 or 50 cents. So far, this means you have $3.50 in change. We're working our way down in coins. Let's look at dimes. If we had a dime, that would be too much. Another dime would give you $3.60. We only need $3.54. A nickel would also be too much. So that means we're going to give the rest of the change in pennies. We use 4 pennies to get up to a total of $3.54. The other method for finding change is called counting up. This is typically the method that most cashiers will use in a store. In this method, you're going to start with the cost and you're actually going to add up until you reach the amount of money you've been given. In this case, we start with the smallest amount. We start with the pennies, and we want to add pennies until we get to either a 0 or a 5. Then we're going to add dimes or nickels until we get to a multiple of 25 cents, such as 25, 50, or 75. We'll then use quarters until we get a full dollar, and dollar bills, $5 bills, until we reach the given amount. In our second example, Sarah bought a game for $12.13. She paid with a $20 bill. How much change will she get? What we're going to do is start at $12.13. We're going to add our coins and bills until we get up to 20. In this method, we start with the smallest coins. So we're going to start with pennies, and we want a multiple of 5. So $12.13 plus 2 pennies gets me to $12.15. My next step is to reach a multiple of 25. So I want to get to 25 cents using the least number of coins. I can do that by doing an additional dime. So now I have $12.25. Once I have a multiple of 25, it is easier now to use my quarters and count up to a dollar. 4 quarters make a dollar, so we're going to need 3 more quarters to get up to an even dollar amount. So now I have a total of $13. The problem gets easier after we've reached the whole dollars. Again, we want to use the smallest number of bills. So we were at $13. We want to get again to multiples of 5. Two more dollars would give us a total of $15. Remember, our goal is to get up to the $20 that she gave us. That means we have to use an additional $5 bill to reach a total of $20. The reason this works is because she got a game that was $12.13. The total value needs to equal the $20 she gave us. So $12.13 plus the 2 pennies for $12.15, a dime for $12.25, 3 quarters for $13, $14, $15, and the $5 bill gets us back to $20. This is the change you would hand to Sarah.